Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the middle spray arm in the Maytag dishwasher. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new middle spray arm. This middle spray arm is mounted at the bottom of the upper dish rack. The arm freely rotates, spraying water onto the dishes inside the rack while the circulation pump is running. If your dishes at the upper rack are not coming out clean, check the middle spray arm for cracks and clogs and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the dishwasher door. Right, so now we're going to pull out the upper rack, just slide it out all the way. Make sure that you're not applying any weight of yours on the top because you can easily bend the hinges. All right, so this spray arm, wash arm, is held in place by this nut, lucky nut. So if you grab it here and turn it clockwise looking from the top, you will unlock the arm. Comes off easily. This is the old middle spray arm next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, to install the spray arm, we're going to bring it in and we're going to align this nut. You're going to push it up. You need to turn it slightly and it will get into the notches, and then turn it. If you look again, if you look from the top counterclockwise, and it will lock. Next, I'm going to push in the upper rack. And now we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.